Thanks for coming. Bhagavad Gita is a martial arts legend. That's why I gave it a name, Metaphysical Art of War. I had talked about the incongruence of meaning of martial arts with what you see in the movies. This talk was Indian Express at Mumbai. They had featured my article very nicely. They understood the concept as it was being understood by a British person when I published it at Mumbai, the first book at Garwari Clubhouse at Mumbai. This was titled I gave it as was Vajramukti. Whatever I did from there on had been related with Bhagavad Gita, the martial arts, in combination of yoga, meditation, and martial arts. Meaning of martial is warlike, not war. We should avoid war or conflict, at least at this global era. If you observe the whole text, it is uttered at the arena, or you can call a dojo where the actual war takes place, the place of evolution. That's why the name is named as Dharam Kshetra. The sloka from which the start happens, the first chapter, is Dharam Kshetre Kurukshetre Samaveta Mamakaha Pandavas Cheva Kim Akurvat Sanjaya. Dharam Kshetra is a land which is also literally named as Kurukshetra. The meaning of Dharam Kshetra is a land where we learn the way of living. Same way as in Japanese it's dojo or in English it's arena. We, when at arena dojo, we spar with our partner. In fact, not to prove that we are better or he's better, is to come out of our own egoistic living and understand who we are, getting away from the conflict. We are fighting with our own conflict, our own ego, and other old attributes which makes us quite complicated as a human being. To come out as simple, to understand our own self. That's why the first book I published was Vajramukti. The meaning was from action to liberation. In that, I explain how from India that this word from Dhyan it went to China and it became Chan, and from China to Japan it became Zen. How the changes happen with the normal people and normal way of language linguistic, wherein in simplicity it is just Dhyan meditation to remove the conditionings. That is why the whole art Vajramukti which I taught from martial arts is to remove the conditioning and come out as simple human being. Get away from the conflict. A word which encompasses, Dharamkshetra is a word which encompasses the whole cosmos. The activity starts from individual or undivided part of the whole, you, me, or all living beings. And the partner at the dojo is our own extension, who's helping us to grow in conflict and come out with that conflict or ego to understand ourself, the kind of man's eternal quest or to know thyself. Same way as Master Gushin Funakoshi said, if you kick and jump like a puppet throughout your life, then there's no meaning unless you understand what lies in your innermost selves. The whole concept, whole workout of Vajramukti martial arts, I did on that concept, which you might be, I felt that it was fading. So I made it and I started teaching that at Mumbai. Now, this whole text of Gita I have written down as per my own experiences. And that I, from long time when I came from Mumbai here, now I jot down the whole thing and put it in front of the public in small clips. Then I made bigger clips. Then I wanted to combine all those so that people are aware, they get the more knowing. and I present my awareness to people to help mankind for healing their own beings, their own self. It's a kind of holistic healing. By for that I'm started my channel. This channel is for helping mankind. In that era where you can, if you go and take your awareness, imagining will be difficult in that era where the bad guys also were very highly aware. The person who was grandfather of bad guy, Dhritarashtra, he this incident has been narrated to him by Sanjaya, who is bestowed the power that he can see from here. The vision, he gets a vision exactly what's happening at the arena there at Kurukshetra, and he narrates the story, the incident to Dhritarashtra, and then that was jotted down, and it has an immense awareness throughout the ages for coming people to understand what actually it is. The gist is this body is the arena, and we have to come out with this state or thinking of fighting to understand that martial word is warlike. In fact, when you add the word art to it, it is removing the competition. Martial arts meaning to way of living, going from action to liberation. To make it more proper, I gave it the name Vajramukti. From action, we move towards liberations. The awareness. We move with the space and time and understand to transcend space and time and know thyself. That is the main aim of the whole martial arts Vajramukti which I started, and I'm working on it, and I'm giving my awareness with this channel to the people, and I'll be summing up the whole text as Bhagavad Gita martial arts legend actually as it is, so people are getting benefited by that. Thank you.